This is a new era of creation and design, and with Revopoint POP, it is now accessible to everyone. The Revopoint POP is the first high-precision, cost-effective 3D scanner available with ultra-precise accuracy for pixel-perfect 3D prints. Until now, 3D printing has been limited to those with strong digital sculpting skills, but with Revopoint POP, the limits are endless. It features 2 scanning modes, handheld and fixed, for a variety of opportunities to texture map anything, anywhere. 1 cable connect to your laptop to quickly obtain the highest single frame accuracy of any object with either a turntable to quickly acquire a full 360 mesh build, or go handheld to capture unique organic shapes both large and small. Revopoint POP is able to capture fine details like nose contours, wrinkles, or high-definition texture colors for accurate organic scans, with an eye-safe infrared light source for picture-perfect 3D scans generated by our free-access, simple-to-use, intuitive Revopoint software. No training required. Just fast, accurate mesh construction in the palm of your hand. Connect to your phone, AC power-free for handheld access to ultra-quality object scanning both indoors and out, with our mobile-friendly, easy-to-use scanning application. It is lightweight, efficiently powered, and safe. Perfect for anyone to recreate anything, no longer limited to a skill set, and for a fraction of the cost of a traditional scanner. Art, design, dental, or industrial, Revopoint is truly the 3D scanning innovation finally accessible to everyone. There are no limits to creation with Revopoint POP.